All right, here we go. Got some breakfast here. Starting my trading a little late right now, but yeah, we're back at it. We're NQ. We got some movement going on here. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what the news has to offer. Most of the news took place. We had unemployment rates. Okay, unemployment went down by 0.1%. We got non-farm employment change. Okay, that increased. So that's non-farm. It's not related to farming. So that's positive. So that's like retail and all sorts of other jobs increased. That's positive for the economy, but the market doesn't always respond like that. Okay, average hourly earnings month over month increased. Okay, overall positive news. Yeah, and we don't have any other crazy news going forward. All right. Let's see. What does Trump has to say? Trump's schedule for today. President Trump speaks at 11 a.m. Yeah, this is his schedule. Participate in a visit with the Prime Minister of State of Israel. That would be Benjamin Netanyahu. And then he's got, yeah, this is all later. It doesn't apply to me. It does not apply to me. Okay. Now we go back to business. Let's see. On the 5, as you can see, I made my opening range right here. The 15-minute range, opening range. I mean, I could have probably taken this trade right here, especially with this retest coming up here. I didn't because I was getting this stuff set up, so never got to it. Let me see. All right. We taking this trade right here, especially with this retest coming up here. We're live and we're cooking. I didn't because I was getting this stuff set up. So if there are comments, I probably did not even see. Never got to it. Let me see. All right. Okay. So let's find some key levels. Okay. Let me go on a 15 here. Let me see. Okay, we've hit certain lows. Okay, let's go here. Let's pull back. Okay, we're hitting some low lows over here. Yeah. Okay. We broke this pivot point. As you can see, we've this is our previous resistance area. Clearly, it was a resistance because it wasn't breaking above. And yeah, this is before this is at the 9th. It built up this momentum. Now it's breaking below. I'm gonna do something right now before I forget. Right here, I would like to put a nice little support verification right there, just for my sake, you know, so I know what's going on. This is on the 15-minute range. I'm seeing the support here. I understand that it could bounce from here and do some other stuff. So okay, we have a new 15. Let's see how it responds here. So my first trade might be in the next like 15 minutes to 20 minutes. We just have a lot of levels. Ideally, I would like to see some retests back up here. Retest the 21 and the 11 EMA. Maybe even retest this previous opening range low, 15-minute range low, something like that. Yeah. On the 2, what is it looking like? It's looking like it wants to push higher, but just never know. Just never know. Okay. And then we go here to our wealth chart. As you can see, I did 400 on the 9th, 600 on the 10th. What I like is the trading, the amount of trades I took. You know, I took only one and made 600. In this case, I took 10 to make 440. That's just not, those are not good ratios. I would like to drop this by, I want it to be like a maximum of 3 or 4 trades. That's it. That's what I've realized as the years have gone by, that, you know, it's not about just trading for trading's sake. It's about much bigger things, like patience. Anyways, yeah. I mean, the only part here is it's like I could go bearish here, just depending on the setup. What is that? 120 area. That's 50-point range. That's the next pivot point. Let me show you guys on 15. So the next pivot point is right here. The next pivot point is right there, and I don't really. Okay. What are we doing? You know, the next pivot point is right here. It's not directly under it, but yeah, and it's at a previous conjunction right here where it broke through. So this is a support, very good support area. So we could be going down there, retest. Yeah, it's not very clear. So I'm gonna just wait and let something develop, some sort of structure develop, bearish or bullish flag. Let that develop, and then we'll go from there. And in the meantime, I'm gonna eat some food and enjoy myself. I don't even know if anybody's watching. That's okay. It's looking very bearish. Yep, there it goes. There it goes. Told you 120 area. I think it's gonna smack it. It's gonna go all the way down there. Let's see what the 2 looks like. The 2 is very bearish. Let's see, what is this? We got a bearish flag right here. Ideally a retest up here. I think it could, what is that? Yeah, it could come back up here, something like, yeah, it could develop something like this and come back down and go down, or something like that, but who knows. Yeah, there it goes. It hit 120, but it's not always so obvious. So thinking, I don't know, for this stream, I gotta, yeah. Our Father who is in heaven, your kingdom come on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. May we forgive those, may they forgive us. Lead us away from temptation and deliver us from the evil one. Thank you, my Creator, for this wonderful day. Thank you for being present, for loving me, caring for me, guiding me, supporting me. I'm thankful that you're my Father. I offer my gratitude and my thanks for all that you do for me. I pray in your name. All right. Okay, time to eat. What? Yeah. I mean, it's having hell of a sell-off. Since 8:30 this morning, it's sold off 450. No, not 450. Nearly 400. What is 400 points? Like, what's going on with the market? I swear, sometimes good news is bad news. Like, the market's just makes no sense. It is just selling off. Are we gonna see 25,000? I think so. I think we're gonna see 25,000 today. That's incredible. This breakfast burrito is smacking right now. Wow. Yeah, but I think this is where it's gonna reverse back up. It's gonna go above that bearish diagonal line. That line, I mean, not diagonal. Let's do 130. Bing, bing. There it goes. And the 5. Closed pretty confidently. We got a new 15. We're pushing up. We got a new 5. Pushing up. What is it looking like? Yeah, previous pivot point down there. Alright, we're going back to retest. Ooh. That looks pretty good. Oh yeah, but we're below this line, and we got the 21. I mean the 11 EMA right there. Maybe not such a brilliant idea, but I can see it doing something like this where it goes up here, retest, comes back down, and I don't know, maybe down, or it could go up that way, something like that, but it'll certainly have a retest here, somewhere here. Well, I'm not certainly. What am I talking about? There's no certainty in this. All right. Let me grab this. Take it over here. Okay. Hey. What would be 120? I'm gonna be to the upside. Oh, crap. Let's go with a different color. Brilliant. Okay. Then we got a bullish flag here. Think I like a buy. I'll definitely enter for a buy here for a push up to the 80. Just waiting for a bit of a signal. Okay, fuck it. I'm just gonna enter now. I'm gonna keep my stop loss tight. Bring this down lower. Okay, we got 200. Come on. Come on, you got a little bit leg in you. Oh, that's not pretty. All right, well, ooh, that's dangerous. It's very dangerous. I'm not a big fan, but if it takes me out, it takes me out. Yeah, it's gonna take me out, isn't it? Damn. That's unfortunate. Should have known better. Yeah, I pushed it too much. That's my fault. That's my fault. Yeah, I thought it was gonna like go up here and fully retest, but it didn't. It was not fully retesting there. Okay. It's not the end of the world. Yeah. Should have known better. I'm gonna take this. I feel like I'm in the wrong position. Yeah, definitely. I'm in the wrong. Okay. Yeah, that wasn't. That wasn't very smart at all. All right, 2 trades. I'm down 745. Yeah. I think that was, I don't know why I said sell. That wasn't smart at all. There should have been a buy. Okay. But even if I stayed on the first trade, it would have wiped me out. Yeah, it would have wiped me out, so it was a bit pointless in that instance. I played the momentum, this momentum going down, but clearly it's looking to push back a little bit higher now. What a joke. But it's not the end of the world. It's always tomorrow. But that was, like I said, I'm still learning. Far from perfect. Oh, yeah. Got a long ways to go. Got a long, long ways to go. And that's okay. And that's okay. That's okay. As long as you're going, that's what matters. Got a new 15. Okay. Alright, ooh. I'm gonna do that somewhere there. On the 15, we're just coming back and retest. I mean, on the 5, we're just coming back retesting 21. Not 21, 9 EMA or 11. Retesting it. 15 doesn't really have any body, so all right. This is gonna be my last trade. Alright, I'm gonna get out. I don't know. Fuck. Okay. Dang, that's what I was looking for. Man. That's the damn stuff that... Now the question is, how far is it gonna go down? I got out because I didn't want it to... It was pausing a little too long and I didn't want it to just push higher. So I decided to just take the profit and leave, which is always a good thing to do. Always a good thing to do. So yeah, I'm not mad about it. Let's see what it looks like on the 5. We retested. We kind of want to see how this candle closes. We're gonna close after retesting up here, possibly. Alright, let me get back to eating some food. Okay, see? We got a new 5 coming up. We got a bullish bearish structure going on here. We're gonna see a retest up here. I mean, it sold off quite a bit, to be fair. Look at that. So if you went short here, you would be in deep, deep water, in big trouble. Let's wait for a new 5. Let's see what it does here. It's an interesting area. This is a previous support. We got the 11 EMA. We got 21 EMA up here, VWAP. We got a lot of resistance. So, curious how it responds. And this thing doesn't have a wick. This candle doesn't have a wick. Literally a mirror all by myself. Wow. It is absolutely cooking. If you went long from here, I guess this could be your stop loss. Very dangerous though. It is cooking. Well, it went and retested it, even on the 5. Oh boy, that would have been a great take. These are some dangerous games. So we just wait, man. We just wait. Boy. Back to view up there. That's a dangerous area though, I must say. Why is it dangerous? Because we have view up here. We coming down, retesting. It could push higher. Might not. Who the fuck knows? I mean, where's my stop loss? That's another question. Yeah, it's pushing higher. Late to the party. Really strong candle though, like I don't know how I'm meant to go against that. It's on the 5, it bounces here. Possibly. Alright, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna look for somewhere down here. But should also be ready to flatten it if necessary. Oh no. Just need what is that? It's like that's not pretty at all. It's being an absolute mess right now. Deep breath, deep breath, deep breath. It like barely moved anything. No, that's not good. It's not good at all. part of me wants to get out. And then it's like, what is it even doing right now? You guys watching this? Like, just fucking sell off for God's sake. It is being such a little torment. I mean, there's no news. Thank God, bro. Like, what? Why was it so difficult? Okay, I brought it back. 4 trades. I'm still down $60. Just, oh my God. That was the craziest trade ever. Like, what? For what reason was it so, like, this area was just like ridiculous. So essentially, why did I take that trade? I took that trade because this is a previous support area. Now it's a resistance, and on top of that we had VWAP right here. That's also a resistance when you're coming from below up. So that's why I decided to short below VWAP to retest again at this level at the 11 EMA and 21 EMA. Like, that's why I did what I did. Anyways, so we're making progress. We're coming back. Just gotta be patient. I said earlier that I prefer to take 3 to 4 max trades, and that is very true. And right now I am I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna break that rule or if I'm gonna stick with it. Like 5 trades is a lot even for me, so but It's just about opportunity, you know. If the opportunity presents itself, then I should take it. Let's see what the 5 says. We could see a retest down here. So, yeah. New 5. New 6, actually. Ooh. That's interesting. Is that bullish? Seems very bullish. But on the 5, it didn't look bullish. Bearish. Yeah. On the 15, it looks like it's a bullish setup. Look at that. 2 green candles. The only thing rejecting it is these trend lines that, you know, are not allowing you to move. So it's possible we go down here to 180. 180, to be fair, is a very crucial area. It tends to get retested. 180, I mean not 180, just 80 and 20 seem to be like a psychological area where price tends to retest or struggle to break through. So that's something to keep in mind. I wouldn't mind taking this trade right here, to be fair. Should have been quicker. Because we had this bearish flag. We broke below. We closed below the 21 and 11 EMA. That's a good sign for the few points. I don't know. Yeah, and also there's no reason for it not to just bust through there. Bullish and bearish flags, baby. There it goes to the 80. Okay. What? Alright, we got a new 5. New 5, it's at a previous area. I don't know. You can see a breakthrough right here. Possible. Yeah, it's cooking. Go to YouTube. Put on some music. Let me see things that every chance I get with DJ Khaled. Ooh.
We the best music. Another one.
Let's go.
DJ Khaled. Scratched $1 million off my checklist 3 years ago. At 2 zeros to the 1, I'm in a different mode. It's my life, do what I want, I be with different hoes. You know the pick and roll, I picked her up and sent her home. I got rich, I'm strong, we get them in and get them gone. You know Trappy just got out, ain't have to put them on. We the ones who got the numbers to put the city on. It's the middle of the summer, I got a hoodie on. My demon time ain't nothing nice, I try not to wear nothing tights. I came up off of shooting dice, yeah. My little brother ain't even right, my sister them doing alright. My cousin them still serving life, yeah. Seen the robber digging, I seen the preacher get caught for cheating. I break the bank for one of my people. I said I'm the one, they didn't believe me. I show them the facts, now they all need me. I'ma get cake as long as I'm breathing. They making it hard, this shit really easy, yeah. I'ma turn up on a hater every chance that I get. I want the biggest watch that they got, don't care if that shit hurt my wrist. All these hoes fuck on us all, I wish I would claim that bitch. They get hard when they get guns, we got a hood full of sticks. Soon as they say we can't come, you know we'll run around that bitch. You can mix me with that shit, you know I live in the mix. Money, cars, and clothes and hoes, you know I live in the mix. Money, cars, and clothes and hoes, yeah. She think I'm a regular rapper, I'm not. One person come tell me we fucking, you block. Watch me run this shit to the tip of this top, yeah. Keep going. Put my kids in Jeep on G. She must ain't 1 + 1 is 3. I can't support your personal needs. She don't got a mortgage, moved in with a need. These niggas be capping, them cars be leased. Youngest in charge, I speak for the streets. I would nod and nod, they woke up a beast. Struggle what made me, we used to have water for dinner. We didn't have nothing to eat. Soon as I get on his ass, they gon' look on me better. Like damn, he was fucking with me, yeah. I'ma turn up on a hater every chance that I get. I want the biggest watch that they got, don't care if that shit hurt my wrist. All these hoes fuck on us all, I wish I would claim that bitch. They get hard when they get guns, we got a hood full of sticks. Soon as they say we can't come, you know we'll run around that bitch. You can mix me with that shit, you know I live in the mix. Money, cars, and clothes and hoes, you know I live in the mix. Money, cars, and clothes and hoes.
I'm from the trenches, niggas be tough on the net, but really be there for attention. Bitches be talking like they really rich, but really be begging me under my pitches. I give a 40, 50,000 cash, just start up a business. I spend that shit at the dentist. I'd rather fucking impale but rent for a year, just to get out of her feelings. I'm in the Lambo truck in my hood, nobody gon' tell me shit. Going to Cali, I pick my weed for sure, nobody gon' mail me shit. Dice game, craps a CeeLo, I need cash, don't sell me shit. Baby got this hood, I'm smashing, you can tell they really rich. Drop the low, ain't no room right now, I took her to the O. Then I put up on the lamp, cause she a fan of Booney Mo. I got the city on lock, fucking up all the ops. I be around with $3 million in jury, I'm standing on all the blocks. This an anthem, dropping the 6 in the phantom. Black road truck with the all-white century, man, I'm sitting on Panda. I love my cousin, she was a dancer. I love my brother, he was a scammer. Sit on my lap cause I'm pulling her tracks, and I fuck from the back and she calling me handsome.
I'ma turn up on a hater every chance that I get. I want the biggest watch that they got, don't care if that shit hurt my wrist. All these hoes fuck on us all, I wish I would claim that bitch. They get hard when they get guns, we got a hood full of sticks. Soon as they say we can't come, you know we'll run around that bitch. You can mix me with that shit, you know I live in the mix. Money, cars, and clothes and hoes, you know I live in the mix. Money, cars, and clothes and hoes. We the best music. Another one.
Working across teams is tough, but Asana helps you handle it. That's because Asana is where humans and AI coordinate work together. AI can spot roadblocks and assign work in a snap.
Alright, the 15 is telling me that we've got very bullish momentum going on. We got 3 candles.
fold on me a
Like
eight.
green.
Real nigga all in my face. 500 racks in my safe. 500 racks to the plug. What you know about showing love? What you know about pulling up? And Billy Chubb. Make these bitches fall in love. All of my niggas on go. None of my niggas no hope. All of my niggas on smoke.
Alright.
All of my niggas together.
take
We came
one
from the
more
bottom. We used to wear each other. None of my
This
niggas gon'
goes-
fold. Couple pussy niggas told. They ain't my niggas no more. Hold it down for the
my
fold.
favorite,
In the line with
good,
the fold.
but-
All of my daughters for sure. We won't fall out about shit, especially not by no bitch. We ain't gon' fall out by hoes. Man said get them lows. We let them go for the low. I got my hood in
I'm gonna go
control.
berry.
I got my left wrist on froze. I got my right wrist on froze. I got my necklace on froze. Both of my ears on froze. I
I'm
been
gonna go
getting faded, I'm
crazy,
sipping on
crazy.
maple. If she won't fuck, I won't make her. I don't like bitches with makeup. If she want titties, I pay for it. Get out of there when I wake up. I pass the ball, I don't lay up. I'm a big boss, I say so. They'll wipe you down if I say so. Dracos on Dracos on Dracos on
Looking for a
Dracos.
quick reset
Fallers on
right
fallers
here.
on fallers. I just bought me some new water. With a nigga trainer, shout out new water. I made a promise my niggas gon' ball. All in the paint, change my name to John Wall. Getting off trees like a leaf in the fall. Find a new plug and we taking them out. Pull up in a brand new bench truck. Hop out fresher than a man talk.
pull it
Little
down.
nigga, but I'm big dog. All I gotta make is one call. Get a nigga block, took off. Cross a nigga up, high sauce. Ooh, I got a man, my fault. Talking about the shit that I bought. Popping these purses, I didn't turn to a second. 100 racks stuffed in the match. 100 racks stuffed in the attic.
It's taking too long.
These niggas play gangster, but they won't approach me.
How they
I
want
know they
it.
never approach me. They know that they catch a bullet. I ride they
Yeah,
got
I'm
to the
getting out.
footers. I roll with some real ones on hand with no pussy.
Fucks.
I ain't no killer, no
Man,
pussy.
like,
I see how you niggas be looking. I hope you don't think you no bully. I'm living the life I should star in a
what are
movie.
the chances?
Running the vert with a Uzi.
Bro.
Twerk it behind me, I lose them. They tryna guess what I'm doing. They tryna guess who I'm screwing. They ain't even they business. They ain't wanna fuck with me. Now they see a nigga
Yeah, it's
drip.
gonna
Now they wanna
sell.
fuck with me. They can get in touch with me. Hardly ever in the city. They just know I'm getting bigger. They just know a nigga busy. I been running up them ditches.
Yeah, that hard.
Fucking getting off.
I'm telling you, I got
Okay.
I'm gonna take a bullish move.
Dreaming of big roller coasters and bigger hair in
gotta
Dollywood?
be
Or
fucking
maybe
kidding
small
me,
town
bro.
charm is more your speed? For adventures of all sizes, choose Allianz Travel Insurance to protect you, your trip, and your peace of mind.
Hey, Kodak, you ready, nigga?
Fuck all that other shit. I'm about my shit.
Slice in your hand, so I'm like, touch it, or I know that. Hold down. In the club, poppin' with my niggas. Kodak pop. All love, rockin' on them jiggers. On the money. You ain't talking money, I don't hear you. I don't hear you. You ain't gotta touch my own feet. That's true, that's true.
Crazy,
Going
bro.
about my stuff.
Like, I get
All
in,
my
and
niggas
that
monkeys,
shit
we gorillas. We
goes up.
All my
I
niggas
get in,
clutching, we some hitters.
goes down.
Birds on my timeline, call it
Like,
Twitter.
literally.
I'm in the club, poppin' with my niggas.
Kodak poppin'.
All love, rockin' off them chicks.
Money.
You ain't talking money, I don't hear.
What be quiet?
This is my
Gotta
entrance
touch
into
my own
the
feet.
bag.
That's good, that's good, that's good. Boy, about my stuff.
I'm about my spiller.
All my niggas monkeys, we gorillas.
Yeah, we gorillas.
All my niggas clutching, we some hitters.
Boy, we some hitters.
Birds on my timeline, call it Twitter. That's good, that's good.
Spiller.
Boy, I'm about my spiller.
I'm about my spiller.
We ain't fucking with you niggas. I'm coming through, me and all my boys smoking loud. I ain't hearing you. Kodak bring the noise every year. Christmas Day, I ain't wanna play with toys. Project Baby came from Hot Wheels to riding in the foreign. And my diamonds come from Tokyo. Yo and yo and yo. Power high come from Tokyo. I call them Ching Choi. Money glowing tree. Can you show me where they grew that big? You can have a fine that girl, yours switcheroo that big. Boy, you know that it's Lil Kodak. You already knew that shit. I'm about my cheese cheddar chip. That codeine my medicine. Friend to know you. 1800 block. Yeah, I represent. I got lots of guap. That's why I'm arrogant. In in the club, poppin' with my niggas. Kodak pop. All love, rockin' on them jiggers. On the money. You ain't talking money, I don't hit. You ain't gotta touch my own feet. That's good, that's good. Going about my skull. All my neighbors monkeys, we gorillas. We gorillas. All my neighbors clutching, we some hitters. Birds on my timeline, call it Twitter. I'm pulling up on your way, you owe me, son. Early morning, right, getting that money. I asked them for a plate, they left me hungry. So I'm out here wildin' out with my youngest. I need that skrilla, little nigga love that fatty. I be smoking broccoli, mama told me eat my veggies. Polo down, got me in here flexing, call me raw floor. I was in the project stressing, I was still around for it. And I wrap my wrist with VVS's, now I'm in here going. And you know the kid finessing, he's a savage young boy. I took so much and lost his minutes sad. My mama used to dig all in my stash. I'm in the club, poppin' with my niggas. Poppin', all love, rockin' off them chicks. Money, you ain't talking money, I don't hear. Well, be quiet. You ain't gotta touch my own feet. That's good. Going about my skull. I'm about my skull. All my niggas monkeys, we gorillas. Yeah, we gorillas. All my niggas clutching, we some hitters. Boy, we some hitters. Birds on my timeline, call it Twitter. That's good. That's good. Hey, that's good.
You probably know Vistaprint for business cards, but did you know we print everything you need to brand your business? We print banners and signs that help you stand out, and must-have merch like tote bags, t-shirts, and hoodies. Right now, new customers can get 20% off with code NEW20, because if you need it, we print it at Vistaprint.com.
Tired of hidden fees and surprise charges? ECCU free checking accounts include a free debit card, convenient access to online and mobile banking, and more. Take control of your finances. Open an account today and get a free gift.
I try to make the next motherfucking scene up there.
So, the M was an option.
Jello Beats, holla at me.
And Chewy on some hot nigga. Like I told Tish, I see when I shot nigga. Like you seen him twirl, then he drop nigga. And we keep the mind millies on my block nigga. And Monte keep it on him, he done drop niggas. And he be wildin', he some hot nigga. Tones known to get busy with them Glocks, nigga. Try to run down and you could catch a shot, nigga. Running through these checks till I pass out. Shorty give me neck till I pass out. I swear to God, all I do is cash out. And if you ain't a hoe, get up on my trap house. I've been selling cracks since like the 5th grade. Really never made no difference with the shit made. Jaja told me flip them packs and how to maintain. Get that money back and spend it on the same thing. Shorty like the way that I ball out. I be getting money, time fall out. You talking cash, dog, I goes all out. Shorty love the way that I floss out. Free greasy them, let all of my dogs out. Mama send no pussy cats inside my dog house. That's what got my daddy locked up in the dog pound. Free fan on them, let all of my dogs out. We gon' pull up in that like we cops on them. With them 16s, we gon' put some shots on them. I send a little dot, send a drop on them. She gon' call me up and I'ma stick the highs on them. Grammy Savage, that's what we are. Grammy shooters dressed in G-Star. GS9, I go so hard. But GS from a gun squad. And bitch, if it's a problem, we gon' gun brawl. Shots popping out the AR. I'm with Trigger, I'm with Rasha, I'm with A-Raw. Broad daylight and we gon' let them dance ball. Tell them niggas free Michio. Subway, free Breezy, ho. And tell my niggas murder team, ho. Bitch, about a week ago. Fuck with us and then we tweaking, ho. Run up on that nigga, get the squeezing, ho. Everybody catch a bullet holes. Niggas got me on my bully, yo. I'ma run up, put that gun on him. I'ma run up, go dumb on him. Niggas got me on that young shit. Got me on that go dumb shit. Got me on that go dumb shit, man. Trap more than this motherfucker. Hotter than a bitch. Hey, yo, pull up. I need some more drink.
Ooh, I'm thinking about a bullish move right here. Quick bullish. What are we doing?
The 2026 Chevy Equinox is ready for your daily drives, weekend getaways, and everything in between. Plenty of cargo space, plus a big touchscreen that keeps all your tech right where you need it. It's more than an SUV. It's your Equinox. Chevrolet. Together, let's drive.
Whew. It used to take us days to finalize a contract, but I just created and sent a major agreement in seconds using DocuSign Intelligent Agreement Management, powered by AI. Ready to exceed your goals? Meet your agreement partner at DocuSign.com.
That's not good.
Who want to get some gun shit? 225. This is about to be a 4x6. Don't bet on that shit tomorrow.
Hey, what you got going on, man?
That's not good. How the fuck would it sell off there?
I got a little bitch from the hood, I call her gang, she don't play with that bass shit. I be fucking this NBA nigga bitches, you know I ain't never gonna say shit.
New contract being like I play ball, little boy ain't nothing to play with.
I told her pull up, she told me she can't, her nigga be sharing location. I was riding in the ghost with the ghost gun,
VWAP rejection, dog.
My man in the can, when you taking out the trash, you gon' pop with the mat like don't run.
Give up here, they all get how you ever had a foursome. There's too much cash for me to hide, I had to get a little bro some.
We was in the studio, we don't listen.
I fuck around from time to time, I don't show no emotion.
But when he died, he had the racks, he had to make a go for him. I hang with the hitters who train the killers who send all the niggas on slow run. I got me a check and I brought me a cat and I went on the block and they know nuts. I hang with all the murderers, I'm paying all the